Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways on how you can fix Facebook comment will only appear when online. So if you can only see the Facebook comment when you're online and not during the offline procedure, then what you have to do is, in that case, there are several different methods how you can fix it. First of all, you could go ahead and check for an update. For that, head over to your respective Play Store. On the search box, type in Facebook and make sure whether the Facebook application is completely up to date or not. Application is completely updated, then you can also try checking your internet connection. Now sometimes the poor connectivity can also lead to this kind of issues. You can turn off your router and it might be able to fix the issue, or else you could also go ahead and switch over to mobile data or maybe Wi-Fi, or do the vice versa thing, and you should be able to fix the issue. Then you can also try clearing your cache as well as data. For that, go to your app info page by long pressing on the Facebook app and then go to storage and cache. Here, go ahead and click on clear cache as well as storage, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. However, if you're still unable to fix it, then what you can do is you can try uninstalling your Facebook application and try reinstalling it, and at the same time try restarting your device, and that should be able to fix the issue. So in this way, you can fix your Facebook comment that appears only when online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.